Hey, we need to talk about hyaluronic acid. So listen, this is an ingredient that is extremely common in skincare, and it's enjoying a big resurgence right now. Like, oh, it's this new ingredient, it's so great. It is not new. Hyaluronic acid has been around for a long time as a supplement in skincare and as a topical. Hyaluronic acid is all through your body. It's in your skin, it's in your joints, it's everywhere. And the production of it in your body is controlled by estrogen, which is why as you age, you lose estrogen and you also lose hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid on the skin topically can make your skin appear plumper, firmer. It feels more comfortable. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant that will hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. So that's nice and juicy on your skin, feels really good. So in order for it to work, however, your skin needs to be damp. So you need to mist your skin really well with a suitable toner. Make sure your skin is damp before you apply your hyaluronic acid. And make sure, please, that you're using it twice a day. Once a day or once a week or every so often when you feel like it is not going to cut it. Your face is from here to here. Put it everywhere, please. Use enough that it's actually going to have an effect. So you need to use more than 1 or 2 drops. And if you really want to be on the cutting edge, if you will, of what's really good in skincare, come and see an esthetician, please. Stop messing around. Just do it. With these young models saying, oh, look, it's so great. I use hyaluronic acid. Isn't it wonderful? Don't I look so young? Yeah, no, girl. You look young because you're 12. No.